Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching and welcome to another episode in James DIY Garage. I'm James and this, as we all know, is my 2014 Maserati Ghibli SQ4. In my last video, we installed the JB4 tune kit on my car. Before we go and do any demonstration videos or testing, providing numbers or graphs or anything, there's a couple things I want to do first. Well, first and foremost is something that I have to do, and that's update the firmware on the JB4 device. And that's what this video is all about, so it'll be a short video. Next thing I want to do is I want to test drive this car over the next few weeks, over the holidays. We have a lot planned over the holiday season in spite of COVID. So over the next few weeks I'm not going to be able to do any videos. I'll be very busy. So my next video probably won't come out until the second week in January. And that's when I'll do the video of where I'll do a demo, driving demo. I'll provide some numbers and some graphs. Another thing I want to do before I do a demonstration video is I want to get all the Costco 91 octane out of this car and put some good 93 octane in it. I would love to do a dyno, but I don't have the funds for it. So if anybody out in this greater Sacramento area knows of somebody who owns an all-wheel drive capable dyno machine and they may be interested in plugging their business in a YouTube video on my channel in exchange for a free dyno test, then I would be very interested in that. Please leave a comment or IM me. So with that, let me show you how to update the firmware on the JB4 device. For this, you're going to need your phone. Your phone should be placed close to the Bluetooth connector according to the instructions I read. So, first thing you need to do is you need to download the update. So you go to settings, you go to advanced, actually you go to advanced, tap that, and there's firmware. Tap to modify, and then you browse latest firmware down here, and it'll download the firmware for you. Once you've got the firmware downloaded, then you'll see it listed right here. Then what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to disable Wi-Fi. Okay, now Wi-Fi is disabled, so then you go tap here, alert, what would you like to do? And it'll say flash. So we're going to flash. Device must be close to connect kit to update the JB4. If you're having issues, try raising this to 30 and putting your phone directly next to the connect kit. Upload timeout. Let's go ahead and raise it to 30 and see what happens. 3, 0. Done. Okay. Signal strength is good, as we can see, so we hit update. Firmware update should only be performed with ignition and dash lights and the on and engine off. That is the case. We're on run, but the engine is off. If an upload fails, the vehicle may be left in an inoperable condition until updated, so only attempt to update firmware with the vehicle in a safe location. It's in my garage. In the event an update fails, we suggest disabling Wi-Fi, changing upload timeout to 25, and placing the phone under the hood next to the JB4 control box. So we're going ahead and hit yes update. Loading hex. Writing block. Okay, it's writing. It's connected and it's writing. This might take a while. 16 of 260. So I'll pause when it gets to 230 or so, and then start the video back up again. Okay, this is all it's been doing. It's just been slowly counting up, writing block. Almost there. 10 more blocks. Okay, we're done. Verifying checksum. Rebooting JB4. Update complete. Refreshing. Done. So that's how you update the firmware on your JB4. We'll go ahead and start the car up and see how it runs. Okay, you'll see where it says firmware version. Now it says 51/3-5/5 Mine before it said 51/2/5. So we have the next updated version 3/5. So I'm going to put it on gauges. Then we're going to start the car. The car's warm. I've been driving it. No engine lights. I gotta find out what that is. That pops up whenever I let off the accelerator pedal. I'll review the video, see what it says, and then I'll research it. That's it. The car appears to be running very good. Alrighty then. Well, the firmware update went really smooth. No problems at all, as you can see. A couple things to remember to make note of. Make sure your phone, as I did it underneath the hood with my phone close to the Bluetooth connector. Second of all, disable the Wi-Fi on your phone. And that'll be after you've already downloaded the update online. You download the update online first, then you disable the Wi-Fi. So, or you can download the update with the wireless. I guess it doesn't really matter. Anyhow, those are the two key things you need to remember when you're updating the firmware, is to put your phone close to the Bluetooth connector and disable Wi-Fi. And with that, this video is concluded. Thank you very much for watching. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing, smash that like button, and leave me comments. And with that, I'm gonna go out and test drive and play around with this device. And you know what that means. Paddle time. Bye.